sister keke.
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, get my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
And then so yaba McBrown kitchen. Season 9. Me din the sister Abigail and ne obako ko ni ho me na me gina muama no. And ne ye superstar. Ghana ni ba bi obo no ho modern pan yi wo industry nim. And ne ono na oba be no aduane ama ye di. Nti akonye ni nkodi nkomo. Ne ehwe de oba be no wate ase. Di machie.
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, get my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, get my share.
Hello, abusiafo. Mpam cho nipa na ne ye ka no ho asem no. Oni mpa cho me ye ne nkodi enkohwehwe nkomo mienu miensa bi ne hu se de ositi efa. Mpa cho Akua
ya obi ade achode da ho.
Na mpa cho enne wa ba McBrown kitchen so. Edien aduane na oba be ya maye.
Enne mi free eye obi enim se nka santini de mbamba be ya santi for aduane. Then so they say enam culture obia esian obi die nti no. Be free asante ti bia me edru ba bi foforo. Me che se wo ye asante ni enyi fufu nko na ne me na nya prepensa enne ndu nko na ne bi ne mum enne me be ye wache. Na me wache ne friend Akua special wache.
Wow. Enne abusiafo yanko ne yankohwe ne ma na omo de baaye no. Ne ehwe se de eye de wo pe a. Ansa na abeteki over fache.
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
The Akua eko akohwehwe ne ma no ansa na aduane no ano astati. Ne ehwe se bibia ye. Okay.
Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, get my share. McBrown's kitchen.
Hey, sister Akua ne da wase ye ko na one Nana Ama McBrown over aduane no. Da wase.
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, get my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
No, please.
Me phone how. This is the girl you know that. Yanko.
My McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
McBrown's kitchen. I was here for a Janipa Ed. Memo Akua
McBrown's kitchen. Get to Kano. Get it bow.
What's your for? Akua. Obapa. Oba for. What could be happy? Young and Bobro with Jadi. These are my new fancy. Blah 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 blah. Eh, who mama you want? That never.
Combo play.
Ah, blah blah blah. DJ Bomanyum. DJ Bomanyum. Hey.
Akayo. DJ Dakwechia. Unawa ko faba.
Akabo.
And Safe. Afena baya. Monsieur Kekeneto. Now Jimbechi,
Hey!
wow, jump around in the air, and then we are kicking
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Get to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Get to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, get my share. McBrown's kitchen, McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Get to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Get to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, get my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Get to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Get to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, get my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
Sister Akua, Pacho, how was your experience on McBrown kitchen?
Oh, I had fun. Whilst cooking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a fancy at some for by. When you announced now the palm, me dear,
My sister, my 2 months after me.
oh, okay, now Pacho, give to near the mount.
I'm so excited about it. Me and Kasa. This is me right to come here. The men know Johnny womb. Me iron. Oh, me share what.
Pacho, then I'll be catching McBrown kitchen.
Yankupo share McBrown's kitchen. Any more sponsors in I'm the most proud.
Yes, yeah, that's a sell by.
My name is Miss Spike, and I loved Nana McBrown's kitchen. The food was amazing. Me coming from Jamaica, the food was ton up. Everybody tune in and watch. It's better than it looks. It tastes amazing. McBrown kitchen, Nana McBrown, everybody, thank you.
Abusiafo and I had the McBrown kitchen. See, a Giano, you did somebody you will fear, and it's not the McBrown kitchen. A broom, a best I share. Me dean the sister Abigail, always me share me our IG. You wish you. Bye bye.
What you know what kind of we are going to about police station. I must get you for me, Nicola.
McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen.